Project overview. The Rutherfordton Highway Project, initiated by the North Carolina Department of Transportation, aims to build a new 5-mile highway, enhancing travel and industry in Rutherford County. This ambitious $109 million project includes creating a 4-lane highway with interchanges and a bridge, designed to alleviate congestion, improve safety, and shorten travel times along the US 221 corridor. The challenges include one that is critical in such large-scale infrastructure projects is managing terrain stability and runoff, especially in sloping areas and near water runoffs. With all the cut and fill slopes that are needed to carve the new road's foundation out, the DOT needed a product that could protect the slopes and drainage channels from failure, while also protecting the environment. Solution: Western Green's WattleFence was chosen for its proven effectiveness in slope interruption and ditch checks. Constructed from all natural renewable material and supported by wooden stakes, this eco-friendly solution excels in filtering sediment and slowing water flow, key to controlling erosion without introducing any plastics to the environment. The WattleFence's durable design ensures robust erosion control, essential for the structural integrity of the new highway. Its application in the Rutherfordton Highway Project demonstrates Western Green's dedication to innovative, sustainable erosion control, enhancing the road's longevity and safety and underscoring the product's versatility in major infrastructure endeavors.